Hey, it's Sam here. Welcome to this demo of VidEze. It's a brand new cloud-based software that allows you to be able to create all sorts of animated videos that you could use within your business or sell to clients. Now, the cool thing about this is it's all done from a number of templates, so it's very, very easy, and it's step by step to create it. So they're broken up into a number of different categories. So we got logos. So let's just go through some of the categories, have a look at some of the examples, and then we'll go through and make one of these videos. So we'll go through logos. So as you can see, different types of ways to reveal a logo. So if we hover the mouse over, it just shows you a little preview of what it's going to look like. Okay, and there's a lot included in this. Good ways to do those fancy little logo intros that a lot of people do. We also have motion titles, so ways titles or text or information drops into a video. So when you create these, you're able to download them and either put them into your video editor or use them right away. Okay, we have some other ones as well, live mockups, which is like things fitting into a real life scenario. So we've got a whole bunch of different examples, like this one here where they clap and the logo comes out before the gym chalk dust, all sorts of other different sorts of things as well, a factory scene, eye reflection with the logo, a few different sorts of ones that you could use there too. Now the cool thing about this, what I like about this is not only does it do these like little logo reveals and things like that, but it also includes a lot of the whiteboard style videos, explainer style video sketches as well. So you can see here we got, dragging a logo into place. All sorts of different ones for like a whiteboardy style of how to do it, writing and drawing the logo. Okay, if I go over to explainer, you can see you can do the explainer style videos as well. Very cool for marketing videos and things like that too. Or you can do some basic sort of ones like a slideshow video too. So yeah, they are. If we scroll down, you can see slideshow, panoramic slideshow, all these sorts of different sorts of ways to be able to present your video. And then, of course, last one, promo, which is very cool for marketing videos as well. Shows cool little animations of how to do a promo video. So let's jump in and have a look at how to create one of these videos. So let's jump in and take a look at how to edit some of these videos. Let's start very, very simply with a logo reveal. So I'm going to click on this one, Dubstep Logo Reveal. What I can do beforehand is I can click play and preview it if I wasn't happy with the preview that I just seen. So here it is, it's got the music as well. Okay, so once I'm happy with this, I just click create video. Now within this, it opens up the video editor just like this. Now I can go through and I can name this project. I can call it whatever I want. I'm going to call this one the demo. Okay, with the logo, all I have to do is upload my logo. So I can upload it in, so I've got a white version here. So let's see how that shows up. It's got white there. And it sort of overlays what is shown in the demo video so you can see where it's all going to go. Now I can just put in my company name. And I could put in my website, whatever I want, and customize that as I feel like it and click next. Once I've done this, I choose my music. I can listen to the music by clicking the preview button, so I can find which music track suits my brand. There's a ton of music tracks included. Like I'm just scrolling and scrolling, so I'm going to get back to the top before we get too lost in that. Or we could use whatever one we want. So if I just want the flat intro, I can choose this one. If I want to listen to it, I click play. So there we go. Pretty happy with how that's going to be. And then I click next. Then once this is all done, I just literally start rendering the video. So while that's rendering, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly show you some of the other, another sort of video type that you can make within VidEze. So here I am. I'm going to jump over. Let's jump back over to promo where we were before. Now you can see we've got parallax promotion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this one here because it's a little bit different and I'm going to explain it in very, very simple forms. Now this is a sort of like a slideshow style video where it reveals text as it goes through. So it's got different text on different backgrounds as it goes through. So it's got a header and a bottom text like a title or two lines of text basically. What I can do within this is I can swap out the background image to be any image I want. So if I just want to put on my image and I could just say, let's just say Sam presents something cool. Okay, now I could go through this and I could just keep going through and editing scene by scene, and what this is going to do is it's going to render the video and animate these scenes to make it very, very cool. And at the end I'd put my company name, company logo, all this sorts of stuff. So once I've done this, It is just like before, where it's just a case of clicking next, editing the music video, editing finish, and just rendering it up. So there's a whole selection of different sorts of videos you can create with this, multiple scenes. It's the same with the whiteboard ones, the explainer ones. If I jump in here, let's jump in and just have a look at the animation for this one here. 42-second video, click create video. Here we are in the editor, and again, it's very, very simple. You just go through, it shows the example text, so you can edit in your text as you go through. And then you go to the next one, edit in your text as you go through, complete all the scenes, save, next, choose your music, and render. Super, super simple. Now once your render is done, it appears in your project's dashboard. As you can see here, I can get it here, I can watch my preview of the one that I just created. So we'll hit play and look at the finished version. So you can see it did a cool little intro for my logo with the wording and stuff underneath it too. Now I can simply just download that as an MP4 file, ready to use in my video editor, upload to my website, whatever I need to do. So there's a huge selection of what you can do with VidEze. It's all completely hosted, all very, very simple, all done within the browser. No need for any fancy software on your computer. It includes all the training as well. You got video training guides, everything you need to do. There's template clubs to be able to get even more and more of these as well. So I encourage you to check it out down below on the bonus page. Get in during the early bird period to get it at the best price possible. And we wish you success with your video projects using VidEze.